When spouses divorce, a court might order one spouse to pay the other alimony, also known as spousal support or maintenance. In Schwarz versus Schwarz, we explore the circumstances in which Connecticut courts can modify alimony obligations. When Alan and Majella Schwarz divorced, Alan's gross income was approximately $373,000 per year. Majella, who had chronic health conditions, earned only a small income from sporadic employment. Per a settlement agreement incorporated into the final divorce decree, Alan was to pay Majella $2,000 per week in alimony and cover Majella's health insurance costs for 3 years. After 3 years, Majella worked part-time for her live-in boyfriend, Arthur Kane, at his golf club shop in exchange for health insurance. But eventually, the club was unable to offer insurance and instead paid Majella a wage. Her income was insufficient to pay her increasing insurance costs. In the meantime, Alan's gross income increased to approximately $450,000 per year, and he married a woman also earning a substantial income. Alan moved to modify his alimony obligation, arguing that it should be reduced because Majella was living with Kane and the arrangement improved her financial situation. Majella also moved to modify the alimony, arguing that Alan's obligation should increase because Alan was earning more money and had remarried, and Majella's health insurance costs had increased. The trial court granted both motions, acknowledging the various changes in circumstances, but ultimately increased Alan's support obligation by $175 per week. Alan appealed to the Connecticut Appellate Court.